Hi, Jose Vega here, your federal court certified interpreter. Today I wanted to give you some tips as far as submitting certified translation to the courts. So you have this document and you need to submit it as an exhibit, and it has to be a certified translation. What does certified mean? So you may have heard some places call it a legalized translation, a sworn translation, an authentic translation. So in other countries, you'll hear that a lot, especially a sworn translation. Here in the United States, we just say certified. And what is certified? Certified is a document, a certificate that says this translation has been done to the best of my ability. That's basically all it is. It doesn't even need to be notarized in most cases. Of course, it's better, it looks nicer when it's notarized, looks more official when it has some nice stamps on it. But that's all it is. It's somebody is certifying, putting their name, their reputation on the line for that translation. Now, in the United States, it is ultimately up to the judge on whether they want to accept that translation or not. We do not have a list of translators and interpreters that are exclusively authorized to translate. So for example, here in Florida, we have a list of court interpreters, certified court interpreters, registered court interpreters, qualified court interpreters. Interpreters are not translators, right? So a translation is a document that is produced from one language into another language. And an interpretation is oral, it's done orally. An interpreter is very different from a translator. It's two different trades. So there's actually an association, American Translators Association, and they certify translators as opposed to an interpreter certification. But judges don't know this. So you just have to file some sort of certificate made by the translator that certifies that that translation is accurate. Now, what can you do to prepare? Well, that certificate, if you don't want it to be rejected, if you want to have more chances, it's better if you get somebody that's certified by the American Translator Association, Translators Association. If there's a certification for that particular language pair that you're trying to translate, it may be that there is no certification for that language. Maybe the state court interpreters office, they don't offer a certification even for interpreters. So what we recommend is that you hire a translation company that focuses in legal interpreting and translation. In the case of the document, a legal translation company, and they provide you with a certificate of accuracy, and preferably signed by either a court interpreter with a certification number on the piece of paper, because judges feel more comfortable with a court interpreter certification, or an American Translators Association certification. That will give more weight to that certificate rather than just me, John Doe, I certify that this translation is correct. What guarantee do we have that this person, John Doe, knows what they're doing? And as I said, not all languages have certifications available. When that happens, you just simply have to get somebody that's not certified, and you try to apply international standards for that, where you have two translators, one translator that has more than 4 years of experience does the translation, then you have an editor with also an X number of years of experience that verifies the translation. That is, I go into other videos, I go into that in other videos, the ISO 17100 standard. And that is what you're looking for when you're trying to do a translation. You need to get it to at least 2 individuals. If you want to save all the hassle, send it to a professional legal translation company, a company that focuses on legal documentation. And well, thank you very much. That was the tip for today.